L'Oreal, this right here is literally like hairspray for the face. This is gonna have your client's makeup not moving, literally lasting all day. They're gonna be like, girl, my makeup was on for 2 days with this product here.
I'm a star, cause I slay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing everything you need in your kit as a makeup artist, whether you are a beginner makeup artist or a seasoned makeup artist. I'm gonna share with you all the products that you should need in your kit. So for your kit, it's gonna depend on how much money you wanna spend. I'm gonna show you some drugstore makeup products. I'm also gonna show you some high-end makeup products. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, you are going to need moisturizer to moisturize your client's skin. And you can get brands like La Roche-Posay. This brand is very affordable. You can also get moisturizer from Bioma. So you want to get products for all skin types. This is good for like normal to like dry, and this is good for like oily girlies. So you got your moisturizer, and then some clients may need an eye cream. I got this eye cream from Kiehl's. So the next thing you are going to need for your clients is primer, and there are a lot of different primers in the market. You can get one from Revolution. You also can get one from Maybelline, has really good primers. And these two are very affordable. These are more like drugstore primers. And then you're gonna get to the high-end primer, which is really gonna cost a lot of money. We got the Danessa Myricks. This is the Universal Blurring Balm Powder. And this is good for like controlling oil and sweat and things like that. Very good primer. So the products in your kit is going to depend on how much you're charging your clients. If you're charging your clients dirt cheap, you're going to stick with the drugstore products. If you are charging your clients a lot of money, you want to get some high-end makeup products. So the Danessa Myricks is one of the high-end products. So now we're going to move on to foundations, and for the drugstore products, you can go with Maybelline foundation. The Maybelline Fit Me is really affordable for the drugstore girlies, and you can get shades. You can get like 3 different shades. Say you have like lighter skin clients, get something for your lighter skin clients. If you have darker skin clients, get a foundation for your darker skin clients. So you can go with Maybelline Fit Me. You can also go with the Maybelline Lumi Matte foundation. These are good for like oily girlies. And then the Fit Me, these are good for like normal to dry girlies. And then if you really want to spend some money for the high-end girlies, you can get foundations like Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you also want to invest in your kit and get high-end products, you can get NARS foundation. They have really good foundations. If you're not into spending a lot of money on foundation, SheGlam also has affordable products. Like their foundations is really good. So you can go with that. So next is concealers, and I have so many different concealers. It's really going to depend on how much you want to spend. Like I said, e.l.f. has really good concealers. These are very affordable, very drugstore friendly, beginner friendly. I would recommend going with e.l.f. concealers. You can also get concealer from L'Oreal. They have really good concealers. I have this concealer. This is in the shade, this is Caramel 400. If you wanted to get this concealer, this is in the shade Fair Warm. I also have these two. This is the shade Medium Sand, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. If you are on a budget, SheGlam also has some good concealers as well. I never tried these on clients, but I tried them on myself, and I like how they blend out. So if you don't want to break the bank on your makeup kit, just go with SheGlam or go with e.l.f. They have really affordable products. Morphe also has some good concealers, so these are really affordable as well. You can get these. So next is cream bronzers or liquid bronzers. This is a liquid contour bronzer from e.l.f. I really love this one. It's very affordable. And also Black Opal has really good, these are actually foundation sticks, but you can use these as contour sticks. Really good. I love their products. They are very creamy. Love these products. Morphe also has some cream contour sticks. Love these. To set your cream products, you want to go in with powdered bronzers. So if you are a high-end girly and you wanted to spend more money on your products because you're charging your clients more, I would suggest getting the Fenty bronzers. I love, love, love these. I end up getting Caramel Cutie and Cocoa Naughty. These are so cute. And then you can also get bronzer from Juvia's Place. They have really good bronzer palettes. Love these. NYX Cosmetics also has good bronzer as well. I love these bronzers. These are really pigmented, so if you are a beginner and you end up getting bronzer from NYX, just be careful because these are super pigmented. Okay, so next, let's get into blush. You're gonna need cream blush or liquid blush, and then you're also gonna need a powder blush to set your cream products. So let's start out with liquid blushes. You can get liquid blushes from Juvia's Place. They have some really pretty shades. I love this pink one. And then e.l.f. also has liquid blush as well. I have these two colors here, very pretty. And for cream, for the high-end girlies, you can go with Danessa Myricks. They have really pretty blushes. This is a cream blush. And this is in the shade It Girl. Love this one. It's super pretty. So Morphe also has blush trios. And with these Morphe palettes, comes with a cream blush, powder blush, and a highlighter on top. So instead of getting 3 different products, you can just get this one thing. So you can get that. And you also can get, NYX has really good powder blushes. These are super pigmented. I love these, super pretty, super cute. Love NYX. They have really good products and very affordable. These is for my drugstore girlies. Also, Juvia's Place has really pretty blush palettes as well. These are so cute. Revolution also has blush. These are very affordable. These are like drugstore products. And then for my high-end girlies, Tower 28 has really good blushes. Super pretty. First of all, look at the packaging. Packaging is top tier. I also want to try the red one, the one that they have for Tony Bravo. I want that one, but for now, I just have the pink one. It's super pretty. And this was like $24 just for this blush right here. And then if you want an affordable option, the Revolution blushes, I believe, are like $8. So drugstore, high end. So next is setting powder. My favorite setting powder is from Laura Mercier setting powder translucent. This is kind of affordable. It's kind of like, it depends. I think this was like 20 something dollars. A more affordable option would be from Revolution banana powder. These are good for like deeper skin clients. Love these. You can also get setting powder from One Size. These are more of high-end products. One Size has really good setting powders. This is Sweet Honey. You can get Sweet Honey, translucent. It really is going to depend on your client. So yes, love these setting powders. Okay, so next is eyeshadows. So Morphe has tons of options for eyeshadow palettes. You can get this one. It comes with these colors. Super, super, super pretty. Very pigmented. I love these colors. And you can also get one that has like more like pink shades. These are super pretty. Love these. Very affordable. You can also get an eyeshadow palette from She Glam. They have really nice eyeshadow palettes. Super pretty, super pigmented. Love these. And Juvia's Place also has great eyeshadow palettes. Love their eyeshadow palettes. Super pretty, super pigmented. Love the packaging. Look at these shades, so cute. So those were the more affordable options. If you wanted to spend more money, you can get an eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These shades are super, super, super pretty. Love these shades. Love, 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 love. Anastasia Beverly Hills has really good eyeshadow palettes as well. So next we're gonna get into lippies. NYX has really good lippies. Love their lippies. I have all of these colors and these are very affordable, very pigmented. These are like a gloss. They're pigmented, but it's like a gloss and it's not gonna last all night. If you wanna get something that lasts all night, I suggest you go with like a lip stain from, this is from Maybelline. This is like a lip stain. It's gonna last all night, even if you drink something. This is best when you are doing makeup, because when you're doing makeup, you don't want your clients to leave your chair and as soon as they gone, their lips is just back to how they came. No, you want to get something that's going to last on their lips all night. So I like these from Maybelline. You also can get the Maybelline, what is this? The Maybelline matte lipstick. Love me some matte lipstick. It stays on all night. Super cute. Love these. You also can get this lip gloss from NYX. It comes with a colored lip gloss. And then it also comes with like a gloss on the other side. So it's like a 2-in-1. You got your regular lip gloss on this side, and then they got a clear gloss on this side. So these are very affordable. And if you want to spend a little more money, Fenty Beauty has really pretty lip glosses. Love these. You can also get lipstick from MAC. Love these. Juvia's Place has really pretty lipsticks. Also, She Glam has lipsticks as well. Love these lipsticks. These are really popular shades. You have like a red one, a nude one, and a pink one. So make sure you get different type of shades, because you never know what type of lips you never know what lip color your client is gonna want. So make sure you have several options for them to choose from. Well, let's get into lip liners. So Morphe has really good lip liners. They're also very affordable. NYX has really good lip liners. These are very affordable. And She Glam also has lip liners, very affordable. Love these. Got all these different type of lip liners. So next, let's get into highlight. You can get some highlight from Revolution. I love, love, love their highlights. Super pretty, super pigmented. She Glam also has a really pretty highlight. Love these highlights from She Glam. NYX has really affordable, really pretty highlights. Love these as well. And you can also go with Wet n Wild if you want to be affordable. Okay, next let's get into mascara. The Maybelline mascara, love this. This is like $10. Essence Beauty has really affordable mascaras. These are only like $3 to $4, very affordable. And then for brows, you can go with a brow pencil. Morphe has really good brow pencils. You can also go with like a brow pomade. She Glam or e.l.f. has really good pomades for your brows. Love those. You can also stick with like powder. Some people like using powder for brows, and you can get them from Morphe. So now let's get into setting sprays. There are several different setting sprays that you can get. Setting mist. You can get this one from Revolution. Love this. This is a super hold misting spray. So this is really good. It's good for oily girlies. My favorite setting mist is from Morphe. Love this. This is gonna melt all the powders and have your clients looking real flawless. And then you wanna go in, you wanna get one of these setting sprays from L'Oreal. This right here is literally like hairspray for the face. This is gonna have your client's makeup not moving, literally lasting all day. They're gonna be like, girl, my makeup was on for 2 days with this product here. This from L'Oreal is like $10. This is like more of like a drugstore option. And then this is more high-end product from one size. These two go hand in hand. These are gonna make your makeup last all day. Your client's makeup is gonna last all day. It's not gonna go anywhere. So these are like hairspray for the face. Get these for your clients, for weddings, if you wanna do weddings. These are really good. Setting sprays, and then you got your mist to melt all of your powders, and then you go in with your second setting spray just to lock everything in. Okay, so now let's get into lashes. So for lashes, you want to make sure you have lots of different lashes for your clients. You can get like some lash clusters for the girlies that want to do lash clusters. You can get lashes from Lily Lashes. Love these lashes. They are body heat activated lashes. Love these. And you could just get lashes from anywhere. You can get them from Amazon, Shein. So yeah, it's really gonna depend on where you wanna get your lashes from. You can get it from Ulta. And the best glue for lashes, in my opinion, is the Duo Lash Glue. So make sure you get the Duo Lash Glue, and it's the green one. It has the green wording, green one. Okay, so now let's get into like the disposable items that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need like some powder puffs. So you can use these to apply your powder on your clients. I got this from Ross, very affordable. It was like $3-4. You can get like a super big pack from Shein. And also you can get like some Q-tips for your clients. You never know if they need to wipe like their inner corner of their eye, anything just to help you when you're doing makeup. You're also gonna need disposable eyeshadow wands. Get these. Got these from like Amazon. You're gonna need disposable lip wands so that you can dip this into the lip gloss and put it onto your clients so you are staying sanitary. Also get you some disposable mascara wands. And these are a must, so make sure you have these in your kit. Next, you're gonna need brushes. Morphe has really good brushes. You can also get your brushes from like Amazon. You can get your brushes from Shein. Real Technique has really affordable brushes, and they have literally the best brushes. And if you wanna get the dupes for Real Technique brushes, you can get the ones from Shein, very affordable. Also, before I forget, you can get the NYX jumbo pencils. You can get these NYX jumbo pencils to apply in a waterline for your clients. Love these. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And let me know which products you like the best. Are you a drugstore girly or are you a high-end girly? Are you charging your clients like $50? Is you charging your clients $100? Let me know in the comments what you are charging your clients these days. I want to get back into doing makeup, so I don't know. I need to add some more makeups. I need to add some more products to my kit, so I'm super excited. I don't know, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what y'all need for now. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.